Welcome to this fabulous edition of Unboxing the Box for the GHD Platinum Plus Hair Styler. Did you guys know that GHD actually stands for Good Hair Day? Yes, I only just found that out myself. Mind blown! Okay, let's look inside the box. Whew. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful box. Have a look there. Oh yeah, it's upside down. GHD Platinum Plus Professional Styler Healthier Styling Gift Set. And the side. And then you have got some blurb in several different languages for you guys to enjoy. But you don't care about that because you want to know what is inside this bad baby. What are you going to spend your money on? Let's open up and have a look. What? That is beautiful. Okay, so here you go. You've got a bit of a thing to show you what you're going to have. So you've got a brush and 2 crocodile clips. And look at this. This is the piece de la resistance. It is the GHD Platinum Plus styling machine. Oh yeah, just look at the ultra fine thin blades. Now, this straightener is better than the Platinum straightener, which is the old version, because this one has some beautiful blades that glide effortlessly across the hair, delivering an even temperature throughout the whole of the strand of hair. It also allows you to do large pieces of hair at the same time as well. We're going to be testing this out and seeing if it's actually real. As with all GHD stylers, it has got an on and an off button, which is really simple. There is no temperature regulating control. It always heats up to 185 degrees. As you can see, it's got a certificate of authentication. This is an official GHD product. Get it registered, so make sure that you keep your warranty. And speaking of warranties, this bad baby has a 3-year warranty, which is amazing for GHD because they usually only give 2 years, which is ironic because my Platinum actually broke after 2 years. Okay, there we go. You can see the red light is flashing and it makes a funky noise. Like that. Yes, that is right. It just stopped working and it broke. So 3 years hopefully will be enough. Edit. Actually, I just got some great news from GHD customer services team. They said that they're going to replace my broken GHD with a brand new styler, even though it's just out of the warranty period. All I need to do is wrap it up like so, put it in an envelope, and they're even going to pay for postage and packaging for me. Awesome! I'm going to get my brand new GHD styler in 3 to 5 business days. So for those of you out there who have got a broken GHD, don't panic and just contact GHD. Let's take a look inside here. Ooh, look at this beautiful bag. Okay, it's got the GHD emblem. And it's basically just a styling kit to keep your hairstyler when you are traveling. So inside you can see it's a heat resistant pad, heat resistant, and inside this feather you can see, ooh la la, okay, so we have got a mega styling brush. But you know the fanciest thing about this? Look at that, that is sexy, oh yeah. Can't wait to brush my hair with this one. And inside this, as you all know, this is the cap for the straightener. So when you have finished with your hair, if you want to cool it down, you basically just stick this on top. And then you can leave it on a surface so it doesn't burn the surface, which is amazing because this takes about 20 minutes to cool down. And as all of you girls out there, you have probably forgotten to turn off your straightener at some time. Do not fear, because just like me, I've done it before. But luckily enough for us, the GHD automatically turns off after 30 minutes of no use. Woohoo! And of course, no heat styling set would be complete without these gorgeous GHD Crocodile Clips. Now the best thing about these is they are huge. They will literally take any hair amount or any hair quality or thickness inside them and they hold them still. These are exactly what your hairdresser uses, so I'm really happy that the GHD set provides me with 2 of these bad babies. This is basically your carry bag for when you want to take your GHD out on the road, when you're in a hotel. You just put it in and you zip it up. And you're ready to go and you fold it round and hey voila, you've got a sexy GHD bag. Now the best thing about this GHD gift set is that it was only $10 extra from your usual GHD. Yes, that is right, $10 extra. You get all of these cool stuff. You get a brush, you get crocodile clips, you get a carry bag. Oh my god, you even get a fancy box, because who doesn't like a fancy box? Me, I love a fancy box. Now let's break it down and see what has changed between the GHD Platinum and the GHD Platinum Plus. As you can see, pretty much the shape is very similar. They've got some nice twizzle cords at the end, and they are about 1 or 2 meters long, I think. 2 meters long in total, so they're super long. Now, in terms of the actual blade, this actually, interestingly, the Platinum Plus is slightly wider than the old Platinum. So your blade is a little bit more wider, which is nice. So when you are doing curls and things like that, you get a little bit more hair in there. The other nice thing about it is this, when it closes, it just closes. This, when it closes, it kind of has a bit of a give to it. So there's a bit of a sponginess. This one doesn't have that, it's quite firm. So that's quite a nice feature as well, because you can press the same amount of pressure over here throughout the whole of your hair, whereas over this one, I had to sort of really push down and get the hair working hard. In terms of other aesthetics, well, to be honest, they look quite similar. But the other fantastic thing, and I will show you this very shortly, is this used to take me a good 40 minutes to do my hair. This is considerably faster, and I cannot wait to show you the results with this brand new GHD Platinum Plus. Let's take it away and take a look together. Warning, warning, warning. Alright, now it's time to see whether this can tame this lioness mane. Rawr! Let's take a look and turn it on. It's warming up. Woo! That was quick. That was about a 20-second warm-up time, which is a lot quicker than my GHD Platinum. I'm excited. Yay! Okay, as all of you girls know out there, you need to split up your hair. For me, I've got particularly large volumetric hair, so I'm going to be using a couple of options. So first up, I'm going to be just getting the top side of my hair and putting it into a bun. And then the GHD actually does come with its own crocodile clips as well, which you might want to use for your hair too. I will probably use one of these at some point. I will show you exactly when. So now that you split up your hair, it's time to get straightening. Woo! I'm excited. Here goes. Okay. Nice. So first thoughts is it does glide through the hair quite nicely. And GHD pride themselves that it doesn't snag on your hair. I haven't experienced that just yet, but things might change as we go along. Alright, those eagle-eye viewers out there, you will notice there is some steam coming off my hair. I have just literally had a shower, and I haven't fully dried my hair, so it is just the moisture evaporating. I'm having to run it through twice, which is what I normally do with my GHD straighteners, just because I have such thick hair, and it has got a large volume. And to really get out those creases and those waves, just have to do it twice. I always recommend using a heat protection spray on your hair just to make sure that you don't frazzle your hair, because if you do straighten your hair on a regular basis, it will become really dry and it will just look dead. I use Tresemme personally. If you guys have any good ones out there, let me know, give me a shout. Can you guess which one has been GHD'd? Answer in the comment section below. I think this side has been GHD'd. This is my natural side, obviously, and you can see there is a hell of a lot of a difference between that. So far, you're getting good points from me. Nice. Now I'm going to use my crocodile clip. Ooh, strong. I like it. Crocodile clips are really strong. It's really nice. Coffee! Oh my god, thank you so much. This is like every girl's dream, straightening her hair whilst receiving coffee from a hot man. Now it's time for the middle section. So what I do next is then I divide my hair into two halves, the bigger side being on one side and the smaller side being on the other. And I just clip it all together. Crocodile clips. There we go. I have to say, these are pretty good. Like, they're almost salon quality good. Usually I get some of these hair clips and they're just rubbish and they don't stick to my hair. And as you can see, I've got quite thick hair anyway, so they're better for people who've got thinner hair. But these ones are perfect for my hair. They're also adjustable. They increase in size as well, depending on how much hair you've put inside it. So I have to say, well done GHD for thinking of us girls who have got thicker, coarser hair when it comes to clips. Thank you so much. Much appreciated. So much. Well, this is a real life GHD review, okay? You know when you see those like Venus shaving adverts and you get like this nice chick who's got already lasered legs anyway and she's shaving her legs, you think, well, that's just untruthful. So you want to see like the razor working on a grizzly bear. So I'm just giving you guys real, you know, I'm just showing you whether a GHD actually works on the thickest hair type, because if it works on the thickest hair type, one of the thickest hair types, then it will certainly work on your fine hair. I guess the only downside with that is that GHD has one temperature only, it's 180 degrees, 85 degrees, sorry. And it's great for my type because I need a very high temperature to get my hair straight. However, if you do have finer hair and you don't require so much of a high temperature, you might want to opt for something that has a variable thermometer. But certainly this will do the job for most hair types. I gotta say, so far it's looking pretty damn neat, isn't it? Just check that out. It's like I'm a different person altogether. In case you don't believe me, this versus this. Amazing. Now, some of you guys out there might be thinking, well, she's got beautiful natural hair, why doesn't she keep it like that? You know what, I totally agree with you. I am very blessed and fortunate for my hair type. I think whatever hair type you have, I think it's a blessing. However, practically speaking, my hair is quite difficult to manage naturally, so I do need to straighten it to manage it on a regular basis. It's very hard to style my hair naturally, and so it takes a lot of product, it takes a lot of time, and I wish I had that much time to style it naturally. So unfortunately I just resort to straightening my hair, which is a lot easier to manage. But don't get me wrong, I love my natural hair. I think it's fantastic. I think girls out there, if you've got the similar kind of hair to me, embrace it. We are truly lucky, and any type of hair you've got as well, it's amazing. It's all good. Try not to compare yourself with other people. I think that's something that society makes us do a lot of, and I think it can make you feel quite unhappy and discontent with your life. So one of the biggest things I've learned in life is just to be content with whatever you've been given and to embrace it and enjoy yourself and just make the most of it. There is my mini psychological session counselling via YouTube for you girls out there. Be proud of what you got. I love these clips, they're great. They're so good. Now I've got to say, right at the beginning of the video I did mention that GHD had created this straightener so it'd be less snagging on your hair, and that basically means it doesn't catch in your hair. And that used to be a problem with the GHD Platinum edition. My hair would always get stuck inside the bottom of the iron plates just here. But I have to say, with this one so far, touch wood, I've not actually experienced any snagging of my hair, so none of my hair has actually been pulled out from the roots. It's feeling like quite an enjoyable experience, kind of like driving a nice car. I like it. Well done, GHD. I have to give you commendation on that. So far, so good. Now I'm just making my midline parting, and then I'll show you a quick before and after. I know you can't wait. Okay, so it's time now to show you a quick midway, or maybe even 85% way through. And you can see here, before and after. Okay, I think I definitely prefer this side. Okay, last bit and we're done. So far, how long has it been? About 20 minutes, I think. Usually it takes me about 30 to 40 minutes to do my hair, but I think this has been a lot quicker, which is an added plus. I'm not sure why that is. Maybe because it just, well, GHD say that the heat is more even over the plates themselves, so it makes it easier for you to heat your hair up, which might be the case because it has taken me a lot quicker, which is great. Saving time on straightening is awesome. Ta-da! And the work is done. What do you guys think? Wow, it looks super straight, it's looking shiny, it's looking sleek. Oh, I love it. It doesn't feel like my hair. I love it, it's really nice. So there's one thing that I wanted just to show you guys that you can do with your GHD straighteners if you don't already know this. You can actually curl your hair with this. You don't have to buy a separate curling iron. You can just curl your hair with one of these bad boys, and I'll show you how. So grab the area of hair that you want to curl it, and all you do is put it right at the top, and then twist your wrist around and slowly go through and pull the hair as you're curling it around the wand. And slowly, slowly. Woo! And there you have it, some awesome curls. Now you can do as many curls or as little curls as you want to. You can make them bigger, you can make them smaller. So for me, I like to do them like this if I'm going to go out on a special date. Or alternatively, you can just do the ends of your hair if you've got long hair. So you might want to just grab a section of the end of your hair. And again, same thing applies. Twist it around, all the way around, and go all the way through, slowly, slowly. Ta-da! There you have it. If you want less of a curl, just twist your hand less so about 80 degrees rather than the full 90, and just gradually pull it through, and you're done. So there you go, tight curl, soft curl, and a halfway curl. So there you have it. What do you guys think? Well, I think I'm pretty happy with this. My hair looks sleek, it's shiny, it's very soft, doesn't feel damaged, don't feel like I've damaged my hair too much. I am able to do curls if I want to. I can do different types of curls. I can just make it straight, I can make it curly at the end. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. I think it was an investment well worth it, for sure. And if you guys get the gift pack edition, you do get a brush inside it, and you also get the 2 crocodile clips, as well as the carry case, which of course is heat protected. So, oh, look at that, it's fancy, GHD. So you can use it to brush your hair. Oh, look at that, my curl's gone. Ooh. Of course, if you do want to keep your curls, you have to put hairspray in your hair after styling. I will say, Cara loves this bad baby. It's good, it does the job, it's well worth it, it's done a great job to my hair, and I'm happy. Now it's time to ask the husband once more. Hey hubby, what do you think? Okay, well now I'm just going to straighten my hair again because my husband is not happy. So we're just going to...
Men don't like curls.
Men don't like curls.
Girls like curls.
You know,
men like
Ash,
straight.
you can't say that. I'm just doing like a be proud of yourself movement video, okay?
Have you ever watched Millionaire Matchmaker?
I have watched
What did she say?
She said, get rid of the curls.
Gorgeous, beautiful, modelesque. Who is this? Ooh la la. Who is this? Nora del Toro. Ooh la la. Catwalk. She walks from the catwalk. She knows she's a cat, and she walks like a cat. She walks towards me, and she is modelesque, modeling her beautiful locks. Ooh la la. What is this? What is this Africana woman looking like she has straight hair? Who is she fooling? Who is she trying to deceive? She's trying to deceive the world because the world deceives her.